SG103 PRO Drone Review, the ultimate 4K FPV quadcopter with obstacle avoidance. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography with the SG103 PRO Drone. This advanced 4-axis quadcopter, under the Lamsam brand, is engineered for an exceptional flying experience, boasting a 4K high-definition camera, immersive FPV, powerful brushless motors, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and convenient automatic return features. Certified by CE, the SG103 PRO is designed for both aspiring and experienced drone pilots seeking high performance and smart functionality. Capture stunning 4K visuals. At the heart of the SG103 PRO is its integrated 4K high-definition camera. Experience unparalleled clarity and detail in your aerial photos and videos. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action shots, or simply exploring from above, the 4K camera ensures professional-grade results. Coupled with FPV capabilities, you'll get a real-time, immersive view of your flight directly on your remote control or connected device, allowing for precise framing and an exhilarating flying experience. Unmatched flight performance with brushless motors. The SG103 PRO stands out with its robust brushless motors. These advanced motors provide superior power, greater efficiency, and a significantly longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This translates to more stable flight, better wind resistance, and a more responsive flying experience. Expect smooth, reliable performance, whether you're hovering in place or performing dynamic maneuvers. Intelligent and safe flying. Safety and ease of use are paramount with the SG103 PRO. Its cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system utilizes sensors to detect potential obstructions in its path, helping to prevent collisions and ensure safer flights, especially for those learning the ropes or flying in complex environments. Furthermore, the automatic return function provides peace of mind. With the press of a button, or in case of low battery or loss of signal, the drone will intelligently navigate its way back to its takeoff point. User-friendly remote control and connectivity. Designed for intuitive operation, the SG103 PRO comes with a responsive remote control that puts all essential functions at your fingertips. Connect your smartphone to view the live FPV feed and access additional smart features via a dedicated app. The drone's robust control system ensures a stable connection and excellent range for confident flying. Key features at a glance. 4K high-definition camera, for crystal-clear photos and videos. FPV, first-person view immersive real-time flight experience. Brushless motors, powerful, efficient, and durable performance. Obstacle avoidance, enhanced safety and collision prevention. Automatic return, convenient and reassuring return-to-home function. 4-axis quadcopter design, stable and agile flight. CE certified, meets European safety standards. Model number, SG103 PRO. The SG103 PRO Drone is an excellent choice for hobbyists, drone enthusiasts, and content creators looking for a feature-rich, high-performance, and reliable drone experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more drone reviews and tech content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the SG103 PRO Drone.